to know about Enro Wash from one of my friend and then followed by Facebook. And I'm really very happy with Sir's innovation. It's really very good innovation, especially for us, which we want to do it in a low cost for the patient also and for our disabled patient. That's how we started with Enro Wash and journey with Suhag. I bought it around 1.5 months ago. I have just used it for one of my spinal cord injury. One more is pending. I don't have to every time ask them to come embryologist because coming from I don't have a full time embryologist with me. There where Enrovost helped me a lot because it's very easy. I just have to teach one of my nurse. See, you have to do this, and they do it. And I am not in the tension where they'll be pipetting it nicely, or they left the fillet, or they didn't get it centrifuged. The time was not good, or the cycle was not completed, like that. So there where Enrovost helped me a lot. So I am happy with it, no doubt. Message will be please do once try Enrovost, and then they will themselves know why I am saying Enrovost. They have to try. Whatever I say, they won't understand. So first, see, even the cost is very efficacious. The Enrovost cost is also very efficacious. It's not so high or something. You can just go and try it once. You'll understand why I'm sitting here and talking about it.
That's fantastic. That's fantastic. Your confidence gives us more confidence to build a similar kind of more and more product.
I really thank Enrovost for making my dream a shortcut to my dream. Otherwise, I would have struggled. I was struggling. So I'm really very thankful, and I hope you people get up with new invention which can help us a lot, which can help whole humankind a lot.